Homeowners insurance is definitely not one thing. It's more like a category of similar insurance products that share a core set of coverages and provisions. From there, though, homeowners policies can be shaped to meet all kinds of different needs. All homeowners policies are the same in their essential construction and intent. Every homeowners policy is intended to protect private property. For the majority of homeowners policies, the property being insured is the individual's home and the personal belongings inside. The other thing all homeowners policies agree on is who they're designed for. Homeowners policies, regardless of the details, are meant to protect individuals who live in the residence. That's the focus of the insurance. This protection for the individual is why homeowners policies also contain a section for liability coverage. Beyond this is where we begin to see variations and personalization. And this starts with the policy form. Remember, there are 6 different homeowners forms. Each form is different, covering different perils or property. The HO2 or broad form provides named peril coverage for structures on the insured property, personal effects, and expenses related to the inability to use the property. Named peril coverage means that the policy only provides insurance against the perils listed in the policy. The HO3 or special form and HO5 or comprehensive form provide open perils coverage for structures, personal property, and loss of use. In this case, the perils are covered so long as they're not specifically excluded. The HO5 differs from the HO3 by excluding fewer perils from coverage. The HO4 or contents broad form is significantly different from the other forms. It provides named peril coverage, but only for personal property and loss of use. This form is designed as renter's coverage. The HO6 or unit owner's form is meant to protect landlords who rent out houses, condos, townhomes, or other single-family dwellings. This policy form contains coverage for the dwelling, personal property, and loss of use. However, the coverage for the dwelling is vastly different from dwelling coverage provided in other homeowners forms. The last policy form is the HO8, or modified coverage form. This policy form is meant to protect properties that have special needs, require costly maintenance, or were built with out-of-date materials or techniques. While coverage is provided for structures, personal property, and loss of use on a named perils basis, benefits are paid out based on actual cash value of the property. This is a major difference from the other policy forms, which use replacement cost as the basis for benefits. Okay, quick breakdown for context. When benefits are paid out on a replacement cost basis, the amount of money given to the insured is the cost to repair or replace the damaged or destroyed property. If, instead, the benefits are based on actual cash value, the money given to the insured is based on the fair market value of the property at the time of loss. This can be widely different from the replacement cost. The reason the HO8 uses actual cash value is due to the fact that the property it's intended to insure is often very costly to repair or replace. The true replacement costs can far exceed the cash value of the property. Even with the variation provided by the policy forms, a homeowner's policy can be further individualized by adding endorsements. Endorsements extend coverage that would normally be outside the policy's scope. This includes endorsements that expand the property coverage to apply to earthquake or selected personal items. This also includes endorsements that provide liability coverage for use of a watercraft, business ventures, and personal injury. So that's homeowners insurance, a group of related insurance policies that provide people who live in a residence with protection for their property and protection from the cost of liability for someone else's losses. Homeowners insurance is very common. Some might even say it's a necessity for most people. The cost of losing a house or personal property can be catastrophic. Liability costs when someone gets hurt or has their property damaged or destroyed can be equally devastating. Anyone who works with personal lines of insurance will need to be familiar with homeowners policies. On top of that, since there isn't just one flavor of homeowners policy, it's important to know about the policy forms and who they're best suited for. Thank you for choosing At Your Pace Online for your educational needs. I'm Aaron Phelps.